Thank you, Grandpa.
Yeah, this is really nice.
And the Rankin family.
Oh, she got the Rankin family?
You asked for one?
He's probably going to be napping though.
In the morning, like that.
In the morning, I take him before I go to school.
You're still going to school?
Yep, still going to school. Just a sec. Are you serious? Are you guys serious? You're serious.
Well, when you get your license, not now.
Mom and Dad just gave me their car. But you need that car.
I'll get another one. You'll need it more than me.